Ever spotted a blackbird with a ghost white face gliding across a pond? You've just witnessed a rare sight, the elusive coot living a secret family life in the wild. Curious minds, don't forget to like and follow for more hidden wonders. The Eurasian coot is shy, often hiding in reed beds. They build floating nests, and both parents care for their vividly colored chicks, sharing duties in perfect harmony. The chicks hatch with bright orange heads, making them easy prey. That's why both parents stay close, alert, protective, and fiercely loyal. In nature, their bond is rare and remarkable. So next time you're by a quiet lake, keep an eye out. Spotting a coot family is like finding a hidden chapter in nature's storybook. Leave a comment if you've seen one.